Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. This is my crafty den. I have an unboxing. So I have an order, and this is from the Happy Planner. They put a flash sale on. I just got an email saying there was a flash sale. You had to order in within 12 hours when I saw it. So I went on and I ordered a couple of items because I've been waiting for some kind of a sale because I wanted a 2023 mini Happy Planner. And I couldn't find the one that I wanted at Michael's when I was there. The selection of planners was really slim. I did get my classic size there, but my order didn't take that long at all to come. And this is what I ordered. So I'm going to set the planner there, but I ordered 2 packages of the Mambi sticks. There's 20. I might have to put this up a little bit. These are Mambi stickers. I got 2 packages of them. I love the girls. I just love the girls, all the girls. It doesn't matter what they are. I'm going to open these and show you what's in the package because of the glare. So in the first package, there are 9 sheets in here. You just peel and stick. They're stickers, of course, but they are huge. They're absolutely huge. And I thought they'd be great for not for planning so much, but for decorating in my craft room, maybe a few of them around my crafting cart. I have to get that all cleaned off. I'm going to redo the setup on it. And I thought a few of these would be really cute on there. All kinds of different things that you could use these for. Oh my gosh, I am so glad that when they have someone in a bathing suit that it's not a little tiny skinny stick person, because personally I don't know anybody like that. Well, I do. I have a niece that's really super slim like that, but yeah, not very many people. And I love that their images like wild and free. That's really cool, and it's nice and big. These are a really thick vinyl sticker. So I'm just going to do a quick little, these 3 girls, these are fun. Those are fun. Each sheet is almost a different thing. So this is like definitely a Paris vibe for everything that's on the page. Definitely spring vibes happening here. Wouldn't she be cute? Sealed right down onto the front of a pocket letter. Absolutely have to think about that when I make my spring pocket letter. But I thought that these would be really cute for all different kinds of projects instead of just small stickers. I'm going to pull this one out and show it to you as well. Some more girls. I love this Keep Blooming sticker. It's gorgeous. This one is really chic, fierce and fabulous, and be authentic. I love these 2. Get chic done. Get chic done. I'm a limited edition, it says on the front of her t-shirt. Oh, and once again, like the bicycles. Oh, so amazing. Yeah, these would make really great stickers to go on the fronts of pocket letters. Like you could put this on your paper and then cut your pocket letter pieces so that the whole image was on them. Just so beautiful. Yeah, I'm really glad that I decided to get these. I wasn't sure when I was looking at them. Oh gosh, I love her. I love her. So cool. And that's the end of that package right there. So lots of nice, big, heavy vinyl girly stickers. But this was what I was looking for. This was what I was looking for. So I started planning in my bullet journal, and I've been using this as my main planner. I've been using my classic size Taffy planner as a social media planner, but I have started to really, really watch my diet. I've started doing a keto-friendly diet since the beginning of January. I think I started the second week of January. And I want to really start keeping track of what I'm eating, maybe the odd keto-friendly recipe that I find that I really, really like. And I thought a dashboard mini planner would be the perfect thing for that. So I've been just jotting things down in a notebook that I will transfer into here and kind of back plan. But let's just see what this is. I can't remember what this was called, but I absolutely fell in love with these butterflies. So, so gorgeous. I'm going to cut this off of here. Take the front piece off. Take the back piece off. And then get rid of this. There. Now we can look at this. These butterflies are gorgeous. They've had butterfly covers before, but black discs are my favorite discs. The rose gold accents on here are absolutely perfect with the greens and the butterflies. This is beautiful. And the butterflies extend to the inside as well. This cover, oh my gosh, this cover is everything. Absolutely everything. So it says, welcome to your Happy Planner dashboard layout. And this is the hello page. Absolutely gorgeous. And then, of course, your 2023-2024 calendar at a glance. I like this style on the classic or the large, but I find that this style is really too small to do anything with on the mini. I'm loving this. Absolutely loving this. I think that's really, really cool. I'm glad because all it says is priorities and goals on this little bit here and important dates on this little bit here, but they have important dates down here as well. So if you do want to white anything out, you're just whiting out that little wee bit and everything else is plain, and you can use this as you want. So here is the month at a glance. And then this is the dashboard set up for this. There's going to be lots of room for me to write in here. There's also a tasks list here, notes, important, and looking ahead. And I think that this tasks list would be a great little grocery list so that I can kind of pre-plan in pencil what I'm going to have. If I don't have it, I can always erase it and change it, but I can kind of plan a week ahead. And I think that that will be pretty good. Yeah. So in here on the monthly, all I'm going to keep track of is my weigh-ins, and I'm only doing that once a week. So I'm really, really happy with the layout of this. And let me show you what the monthly dividers look like. This says, from earth to sea to sky, may you learn to grow, to swim, to fly. Of course, a butterfly. Let your spirits soar. Another beautiful butterfly on this rose bush. April says, just when the caterpillar thought her life was over, she began to fly. That's beautiful. This one's gorgeous. Oh, I just love the close-ups, like the big butterflies. They're pretty. This would have been really nice because it has no sentiment on it. It would have been nice with some foiling. And then there's always something good in June, July, more butterflies, August. True beauty blooms from the heart. September, anything is possible. October, let your soul and spirit fly. November, live in the moment. And December is just this really gorgeous black and white floral with this teal background. And of course, the back page is notes. And then the inside is the same as the front inside cover and the back cover. So that's my little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, so you can come back and watch a few more videos. I'll see everybody in the next one. Until then, bye-bye for now.